Nag-alarma ang National Security Council sa resulta ng inisyal na investigasyon ng Philippine Navy. Lumalabas kasi na karamihan sa mga underwater drones na na-recover sa ating exclusive economic zone ay galing China. Isa raw itong malaking security threat. Narito ang agenda report ni Francis Folve.
Posibleng galing talaga sa China ang 3 sa 5 drone na na-recover sa karagatan ng Pilipinas. Kabilang dito ang unang underwater glider na nakita noong July 2022 sa Pasukin, Ilocos Norte. Ang ikatlong drone na nakuha naman sa Calayan Island nitong August 2024 at ang ika-4 na nakita ng mga manghingisda sa Initaw, Misamis Oriental noong October 2024. Ang isa sa mga ito may Chinese SIM at di raw malayong nakapag-transmit ito ng data sa Beijing. Maaaring scientific research o academic ang pakay pero hindi pa rin isinasantabi ang military implications nito.
There was an iridium transceiver with serial number HWA Create. HWA Create is a company that focuses on defense, civil, government, and industrial solutions, the headquarters of which is in Beijing. The third drone that was recovered in Initaw, Misamis Oriental did not have an AVS sensor, but it had CTD, conductivity, temperature, and depth sensors. The battery assembly had markings, 18th Research Institute of China Electronics Technology Group, the CETG Corporation, or the China Electronics Technology Group Corporation, is a state-owned enterprise for civil military integration of information technology.
Dagdag ni Rear Admiral Roy Vincent Trinidad, ang CETG Corp ang responsable sa BOIN o Blue Ocean Information Network. Isa itong advanced information technology na ginagamit ng Chinese Communist Party para pag-aralan ng underwater terrain at pag-monitor sa marine environment sa South China Sea. Sabi pa ni Trinidad, sa generation of warfare, information is key. Binigyang diin niya rin ang lokasyon kung saan nakita ang mga drone.
They are important strategically in the defense and security not only of the country but for international maritime navigation. The first 3 were found up north, Pasukin, Ilocos Norte, Calayan Island, Cagayan, the coastal area of Zambales. These are just a little bit south of Balintan Channel, which is an international sea lane. The fourth one was found in the coastal area of Misamis Oriental, which is just west of Surigao Strait, another choke point. And the fifth was found in Masbate, which is also just west of San Bernardino Strait, another critical choke point.
Patuloy naman ang pagsusuri sa ikalawang drone na na-recover sa Zambales noong September 2022 at ikalimang underwater glider na nakuha sa Masbate noong December 2024. Sabay sa pag-anunsyo ng kaugnayan ng China sa mga drone na nakuha sa ating EEZ, ang pag-challenge ng Philippine Coast Guard sa isang Chinese research vessel sa Itbayat, Batanes. Makailang ulit nila itong niradyohan pero hindi ito sumasagot.
You are advised that you're servicing in the Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone. Approximately 136 nautical miles from Capon Grande, Zambales, Philippines.
Tila nakipagpatintero rin kahapon ang BRP Cabra sa isang CCG vessel sa Bajo de Masinloc matapos itong i-radio challenge.
This is China Coast Guard Weather 21612. China has indisputable sovereignty over the Hawaiian Island and its adjacent waters.
Pero sagot ng China Coast Guard, sakop nila ang karagatan kaya dapat ang PCG ang umalis sa kanilang teritoryo. Sa kabila ng panibagong insidente ng panghaharas ng China sa pinag-aagawang teritoryo, ikinatuwa naman ng Armed Forces of the Philippines ang pagkakasama ng West Philippine Sea sa Google Map.
We welcome this inclusion of the West Philippine Sea in Google Maps. This actually affirms our the international recognition of the country's sovereign rights, which was upheld in the 2016 arbitral ruling under UNCLOS.
Sabi pa ng AFP, mananatili itong matatag sa pagtupad sa kanilang mandato na ipagtanggol ang ating teritoryo sa gitna ng mga hamong kinakaharap nito sa rehiyon. Para sa agenda, Francis Polbe, Bellionario News Channel.